This Aqua Tower sounds like a scam. What's next? A water fountain that tells my future.
Actually, it pulls moisture from thin air. No magic required.
Yeah, right. And I suppose it can tell me what to wear too?
Well, it may not recommend outfits, but you'll never run out of clean water.
Okay, you got me. That's pretty impressive. Who needs a closet when I'm hydrated?
That's the spirit. Let's toast with some water.
So there I was, freaking out over our dwindling water supply, and then boom! The Aqua Tower popped up on my feed. Seriously life-changing. Picture this, dry desert surroundings, yet this tower pulls moisture from the air, filters it, and gives us unlimited, pristine water. No more stressing over rationing or deliveries. The best part? Their guide walks you through setting it up, so even a techno dunce like me got it running. Do yourself a favor. Grab one now and secure your family's water future.